Nancy from League City has a question about tile replacement.
Well, they're in the whole house except the bedrooms, the tile. And Nancy says, I hate tile personally. Now, Nancy hates a strong word. But I don't want to carpet everything, she says. What is the best way to go on the floors? What would you recommend, she says? I don't want hardwood and need something that holds up in the kitchen and the bathroom and is easy maintenance. What's your suggestion?
I guess go down to that new vinyl flooring that they're selling so much of.
Okay.
She hates tile. She doesn't want carpet. She doesn't want wood. She pretty much doesn't want anything.
You're kind of taking away the choices here, Nancy.
So I would take a look at that because it certainly work in a wet area. She's talking about bathrooms.
Sure would.
You can put throw rugs down. It has a wood look, so if you have tile everywhere, if you put two kinds of tile together, it looks really weird. But if you mix a wood look or that kind of look with a tile, then it tends to blend better if you get the right color scheme.
All right. Maybe you want to give guys a Texas Floors.
Absolutely.
They'll help you out. That's where we got our luxury vinyl flooring here at the office.
I hate the word luxury.
Well, it's LVP is what they call it, and that's what the L
Do you have any
stands
Grey Poupon?
Yes, I do. Yes, indeed. Yes. So get in your Rolls Royce and go over and look at that luxury vinyl flooring.
Yes.
All right. You got a question? You don't need a Rolls Royce. You can do, even if you're driving a Yugo, we'd be happy to help you out. Just visit HomeShowRadio.com and click on the Ask Tom button. We'll take a look at your question, use it in one of these videos, or maybe even post it on Facebook.
Ding.